Okay, World Wide Web, what's going on? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Okay, guys, we're back for another installment of how to make money on the internet with email marketing. Build a list, build a business, what we're talking about here. And how you can do it, guys, actually using automated marketing systems and sales funnels, right? I think I misspelled marketing again. I call myself fixing it, guys. Look. They got two T's there. Okay. All you sticklers, guys. All you anal retentive guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, guys, this is really just a continuation from the last video that I just did because I ran out of time, right? I try to keep these videos down to 15 minutes or less. So in the last video, guys, we were talking about get response, right? And I told you guys I was going to actually show you where this redirects to, right? I set it up. I showed you guys how to go inside, set up your first, I told you you actually have access to, and then our members already would enable you to go in and set up your own capture pages. I showed you guys how to go behind the scenes, redirect that capture page to wherever it is you wanted to go. I showed you guys how to play around over here and edit this with drag and drop software inside the system. So now I said I wanted to show you guys some of the templates that you will actually have instant access to, right? And so we're in that particular part of your members are inside of Get Response. Now it says landing pages up here, and that's the tab you want to be in, okay? And when you are, guys, you can see, right? Now we talk about different niches, right? Because everybody's not in the same niche. You know, you might want to promote t-shirts. You might have a real estate business. You could be a person who designs your own websites. Well, whatever it is, guys, affiliate marketing, network marketing, right? Whatever it is you want to do, you're guaranteed to find a template for it back here inside of Get Response. As you can see, these templates go on and on and on. And again, they're pretty much done for you templates. The only thing going on back here, guys, is when you actually select the template that you want to work with, you know, you're going to have to give yourself the time, be patient enough to get in here and start playing around to build your capture page out, okay? It's drag and drop simple. I just showed you guys the example of one that I did. Now, most of my capture pages, I told you guys in the last video, are built inside the Power Lead system, right? But if I wanted to use any of these templates, I could. I just showed you guys an example. This is a great way to teach yourself some really cool stuff, guys, okay? And, you know, I thought about one time just going into capture page creation. You know, just doing that for people. I mean, I haven't done it, but you could do that, right? You could do that with the Power Lead system if you had it. You could do it with Get Response if you had it. The only thing I guess a person would be required to have is hosting. You know, once you build a page out for them, right? And here's another cool thing. You don't have to do that, but when you think about that, right? When you think about that type of thing, in fact, what I may do, guys, is I may do that. If you guys need a capture page, okay? If you just need a capture page, you want to build it out yourself, and you already got an autoresponder, or you're looking at getting the Get Response autoresponder, and you want a capture page, I will build you out a capture page, right? And then all you need is hosting for it. We'll talk about that a little bit more down the line, but I'm just saying, because it's so easy to do. And when you get back here and you start playing around back here, guys, you're going to see. So I'm going to just play around. I'm going to scroll down here real quick. And I'm just going to click on this one right here, guys, just so it can populate, just so you guys can see. My little slow computer moving at the speed of turtle, right? And I know I clicked it. So let me see. I'm going to go in and try to get another one, guys, because I know it's not still buffering. All right, so look. Let me see where I want to go. I wanted to use fitness and wellness effective. Okay, maybe I did it wrong. I'm selecting the template, okay? Now, there it is right there, right? See, guys, it's just a template that's done for you, right? And if you want to name it, like this particular template, what is it about? It's about marketing tactics, right? So if I wanted to name it, I would just name it marketing tactics. Did I spell that right? I know all you sticklers looking for misspellings, right? Okay, marketing tactics, right? That's wrong. So let's go back. Okay, so then you say use that template. Okay, when you go to use that template, it's going to redirect you to where you can go to start. Remember, look at that little monster, man. Taking all day, right? But anyway, once you're here on this page, guys, this is where all your editing will take place. I told you about the drag and drop interface where you can drag and drop images, videos if you have them, if you want to use that, whatever, right? I would suggest when you start doing this, keep it as simple as you possibly can. And then you know, you can just get started. But either way, guys, you would come up here, right? And you can see if I double click, then this interface allows me to go inside, right, and change things around, right, however I wanted to. And again, when you get back here and you start playing around inside of your members area and on these templates, you're gonna get really creative. Okay, you're gonna get really creative. And again, guys, you'll see over here on the right where I am, right? You can click there. You can drag and drop almost anything. There are ways to put videos in. Let me see how much time I got. Maybe I got enough time to show you guys how I embedded the videos. The shapes. Can't really. Okay, I don't know what I just clicked right now. I think I clicked something I shouldn't have clicked. But anyway, here's the deal. Everything that you see on this page, I'm inside this block now, right? You can go in and you can edit it, right? Okay. Now, like I said, the get response is very, very sensitive, right? So anyway, you can go inside here and you can edit anything that you wanted to. Now, I got so many windows open, so of course it's a little slow. Okay. Because I have so many different things going on right now. But you won't have this problem, okay? Anyway, so you can go back here. You can play around, right? As you can see your capture page right here, your name, the email address of your potential prospects. You guys just seen a whole bunch of the templates. So that's just something that, you know, if you want to do this, right, you're gonna have to commit to learning. What I always talk about learning a new skill set. But here's the cool thing, and I can't put enough emphasis on this, guys, okay? It's all about being creative anyway, right? Because the more creative you are, the more you stand out or make yourself stand out from everybody else. And by having the ability to go ahead and edit these pages, you can say whatever you want. You can put whatever images that you want to put in. You can redirect to anything you want to redirect to. So it's really a level playing field, right? Because really the creativity, everything that you could possibly want to do is in your hands. Nobody can control you or what you do. Oh, let me plug this real quick, guys, before I get off this video, because I really wanted to show you guys how to create your first list, and I'm going to have to do that in another video. I thought I said it was going to be a dual video, but I'm not going to have time, because here's what I really want you guys to check out. Now, when you're inside of Get Response, guys, and you're in your members area, you're probably going to feel like a deer in headlights, right? Like you're just lost, and you're going to probably be like, where's Marlon when you need him? I'm always just an email and a text away, guys, by the way. But here's the thing. Over here, look over here on the left, guys. Look over here on the left, if I can get my mouse to see it. See where it says live chat? I'm going to click that. See where it says live chat, guys? I'm going to start a chat. Watch this. Start this chat. This is live as you guys are watching this, right? Now you can go inside here, inside the live chat, guys. You can actually talk to agents that are always here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, guys, ready to answer your questions, right? Now watch this. How do I create a brand new list, right? And I'm gonna send that. I just asked the live chat person, right? How do I create a brand new list? And he's gonna respond to it. He should respond to it in just a second. And so I'm telling you guys that so that you won't, if you get back here and you feel lost, guys, a lot of the platforms that I'm inside of, guys, and one of the things that you really want to have available to you when you're doing this kind of thing, if you have a live chat, that's really cool, guys, okay? Because you can get the help you need when you need it, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And a lot of times the questions are really, you know, these guys usually really don't take a long time to get back. Now, I don't know, I usually can see when he's writing, and Again, maybe it's just because I got so many things open, but the live chat, wait a minute, let me ask him, are you there? I'm asking him, is he here? Okay. Now he just responded, guys. Check it out. He just said, go to contacts, right? I just asked him, how do I create a new list? Go to contacts, create lists, including a name that's between 3 and 64 characters. Please note it can only contain lowercase letter. Anyway, you get the gist of where I'm going. I just asked one of the people inside the live chat a question while I was on this video, and in less than 1 minute, he responded. And I'm going to tell him, thank you. He's going to say, do you need any help with anything else? And I'm going to say, no, guys. And that's going to conclude this particular video. Just understand. Oh, it was him, guys. He said, sorry for hold up. I was typing your reply. Here are the details. Okay, so that's all good. The point is, you can get your questions answered back here in this platform. So if you get back here, again, don't get intimidated. Don't get afraid, guys. Let your mind run free. Get as creative as you possibly can. Remember, guys, this is the front door to you building, right, your own email marketing business. And as we move on through the series, guys, it's gonna get simpler, right? Because what you're gonna be able to do is incorporate automated marketing systems and sales funnels in your email marketing strategies. Okay, so you get this particular part of this puzzle, what I like to call it a puzzle. You get this particular part of the equation down, then guys, you can just create campaigns on the fly, right? You're just gonna, you can go in, set up a capture page, set up a list, right? I'm gonna show you guys products and services that you can tap into, free, paid, residual income, recurring income, all of that is going to be involved. So once you know how to set these up, set up your first one, right? And just concentrate on getting your first capture page set up. Practice on it, right? Get good on it. Play around. Let your imagination run wild. And then as we move throughout the series, you're not going to have to worry about creating capture pages so much, although you're probably going to want to do it. You're probably going to start liking it. It might become your niche. You might become a capture page creator once you found out how simple and easy it is. And there's actually a service. I used to pay $25 for a pop every time I wanted one done. And so that was early on. Now I just do my own. And so you'll be able to do your own. So get back here, get inside, get your free trial if you want. If you're interested in starting your own email marketing business, get your free trial inside to get response. And then get inside here, guys, and start playing around with the interface. Start learning how to embed videos inside of the capture pages and whatever you want to do, right? You got the drag and drop technology back there inside of the interface, so it's going to be pretty cool. Remember, guys, if this sounds like a lot, this is the beauty of the series. I can show you guys how to get all of this stuff set up for you already, right? Particularly if you got Get Response or the Power Lead system, right? When we start talking about the actual automated marketing and sales systems and sales funnels, which you can see at any given time doing this video presentation or any video presentation that I do, then you can have all of this pretty much done for you, right down to the follow-up email or campaigns or drip campaigns for the actual products, services, business opportunities that we're talking about, okay? And so that's something to be excited about, okay? So again, all my high-speed internet marketers, or should I say my aspiring higher-speed internet marketers, okay? If you think email marketing is something that you might want to play around with and earn a little extra income from home, and then learn how to automate the entire process, follow along in the YouTube video series, guys. At any given time, you'll be introduced to different products and services and business opportunities that I'm promoting, and understand that 90% of everything that I'm actually talking about throughout the series or the YouTube videos in this series is actually pretty much done for you. I just want you guys to get a real good understanding of the actual anatomy of an autoresponder, and then of course of automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Okay, so anyway, guys, in the next video we'll actually build our first list inside of Get Response. So stay plugged in, guys. I will see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep making, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.